MTV starts now.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as mean as you've ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers. Sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a place for somebody who needs you.
Good morning, Marauders. It is November 24th, 2020. Many of you are probably wondering, what's around your neck, Autumn? Well, it's my honor roll medal. Let's go take a look at this video made on the honor roll pickup.
Hi Marauders! Last month we celebrated our honor roll recipients, students who received a 3.0 GPA or higher. We had a drive-through ceremony for medal recipients, and we are so excited and proud for all of you. Keep up the good work!
Wow, congratulations to all the honor roll kids. Well, I heard that fall sports are starting again. Is it true? Let's take a look at the fall sports restarting video.
Hello Marauders, the fall sports are restarting. If you are planning on joining volleyball, cross country, water polo, cheer, or football this year, since the pandemic is still going on, make sure you get in contact with the coaches about what you will need in order to sign up and any of the precautions you will need to take.
Wow, so happy for all those teams to see each other again. Thanksgiving's coming up, and it's about giving thanks. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family and my friends.
I'm thankful for Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez.
Some things I'm thankful for are my family being safe and healthy, having good friends, food in the refrigerator, heater.
This year I'm thankful for a new president.
I'm thankful for my family, my mom, my dad, and my brother, and I'm also thankful for good health.
Wow, I'd be thankful for a lot of that stuff too. Speaking of Thanksgiving, I don't know what I'm gonna make. Take a look at this cooking tutorial for Thanksgiving. looked so good. Well, the weather's been getting kind of chilly lately, and I don't know what to wear or have any inspiration for my outfits. Take a look at this fall and winter outfit idea.
It is once again that time of the year where people go out and get their Christmas shopping done, find great deals, and madness always seems to occur. It's Black Friday time. So I'm here to give you a few tips about Black Friday. This year, things are going to be done differently. Big retailers like Walmart, Target, and Best Buy are opting to close on Thanksgiving night and actually having most of their deals online. The first one's simple. Just know exactly what you want to buy. Remember, since it's online, there are hundreds of other people competing for the same item. So if you know exactly what you want, you then have a better chance of getting what you want. My other tip is to check through the online stores daily. A lot of stores have daily deals throughout the month of November, so make sure you check to see if there's anything that you'd like. I hope this helped, and make sure to please stay safe.
Recently, some kids made a PSA on COVID-19. Let's go take a look at the winners.
Hi Marauders, our MTA seniors participated in the Listos COVID-19 Youth Media Challenge and we had plenty of winners. Here are our video production and graphic design winners with their final projects.
Creating our design was to somehow get the people of Tulare County to relate to it. A large part of Tulare County is made up by agriculture workers, and they supply products not only to California but also to the whole country. We ended up creating a design that pictures a field worker with an orange branch in the background, and in text we put, "I wear a mask for our workers."
I was doing my CV19 design challenge. I was focusing on two things primarily, which were my two prompts. It's my responsibility and stay out of big groups. And I wanted to highlight through this that following these precautions and staying away from too many people, it's not going to be a negative, even though we feel that it is, being separated from everyone. But it's a positive because we're being rewarded for doing this, because we know that we're helping our friends and families stay safe and that they are going to be safe, and we didn't have any part in harming them. So that's what I wanted to focus on in my design.
Some things I learned from making this video is to always have a backup plan and to check the requirements for the video before you submit anything. Steps that can be taken to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Step 1. Wash your hands. When you wash your hands, wash them for at least 20 seconds or a hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol works too. Step 2. Wear a face mask. It exists to protect other people in case you are infected and vice versa. Step 3. Social distancing. Stay 6 feet apart from each other. Step 4. Disinfect areas that are touched the most, like doorknobs and countertops. And Step 5. Take care of yourself. Your health is important. Check out cdc.gov/coronavirus for more info.
I was satisfied with how my video turned out, and I was very happy with the transitions in it, although I didn't expect it to win anything.
Hi, Eddie.
If you love your family and friends, you will too. Alright, Marauders, my name's Villarreal, and I'm signing off.